studying in 3rd grade ISWKI school in Muscat, Oman. Today I am going to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube basics. In part 1. In part 2, I am going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube using the formulas and basics taught in the part 1. Let's get started with the pieces of the Rubik's Cube. There are 6 centers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Remember, centers always have one side. Now you know the centers. Let's move to the corners. Corners have the 3 sides and there are 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you know the corners. Now let's move to the edges. There are 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now, always remember that there are one side for a center. There are only one side for a center. For corners, there are 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For edges, there are 2 sides. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you know the pieces of the Rubik's Cube. Let's move to the faces of the Rubik's Cube. The face that is facing you is the front of the Rubik's Cube. The face that is opposite of the Rubik's Cube is the back part of the Rubik's Cube. The face that is on the top is the top face. The face that is on the bottom is the bottom face. The face that is on the left is the left face. The face that is on the right is the right face. Now you know the faces of the Rubik's Cube. Now let's move to the clockwise and anti-clockwise moves of the Rubik's Cube. The clockwise and anti-clockwise moves work like this. Right clockwise is this. Right clockwise, right anti-clockwise. Right clockwise and right anti-clockwise. And the left clockwise and anti-clockwise work like this. Left anti-clockwise, left clockwise. Left anti-clockwise and left clockwise. I repeat, the right anti-clockwise and clockwise work like this. Right clockwise, right anti-clockwise. Right clockwise and right anti-clockwise. And the left clockwise and anti-clockwise work like this. Left anti-clockwise, left clockwise. Left anti-clockwise and left clockwise. Now you know the clockwise and anti-clockwise moves. Let's move to the right formula and the left formulas. The right formula is basically to move your right face. The right formula includes right clockwise, upper clockwise, right anti-clockwise and upper anti-clockwise. Now I am going to tell you what includes the left formula. The left formula is basically to move your left face. The left formula includes left anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise, left clockwise and upper clockwise. I repeat, the right formula includes right clockwise, upper clockwise, right anti-clockwise and upper anti-clockwise. And the left formula includes left anti-clockwise, upper anti-clockwise, left clockwise and upper clockwise. Now you know the formulas. Thank you for watching my video. For learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube, you can watch the part 2. In the part 2, I will teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in an easy way. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, click on the like button and share it with your friends and family.